Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to prepare a random dessert, and this time I chose this book to cook from, and here's what Alexa chose for me. Alexa, give me a random number between 12 and 286.
Here's a number between 12 and 286. It's 138.
So she chose page 138 and recipe number 2, which is great because the first one was just the basic dough. So in Hungarian this is called Tealinzer, but it's basically like a linzer cake. And here we go. conclusion, I think this is a good recipe and it's pretty easy to make. It might take a while to actually do the delicate things with the lattice and stuff, but you don't really need to do that. As you can see, mine actually grew a lot, so the 1/3 of the dough that I put on top was almost covering the whole thing. So you don't even have to worry about an intricate design there, because it's going to swell and it's going to look different. But the taste is good. I realized that I didn't list the marmalade in the ingredients. I used a blueberry marmalade, which I had here, but you can use any type of marmalade that you like, or jam, you know. So this is it, and I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, press the like button and the subscribe button down there. Thank you again for watching. See you next time. Bye!